Good morning, what's happening, what's going on? Back with another video. This one's going to be one based on Blender 3D. So I was thinking to myself, what are the 3 add-ons that I would, paid add-ons that you have to buy that I would buy as a 3D artist? Which are the main 3 that I would invest my money in? So I thought I'd make a video on the top 3 that I use, and these are not sponsored. They have not contacted me. I paid for them myself, and I use them with literally every product or every artwork that I do. Okay, so now in Blender, you find the add-ons all here. So the first one is Real-Time Materials by Ducky 3D. So let's put in a cube. Okay, and you select the cube, and you can see all the materials that you can choose from. I think it's 256. So let's go here, and you just apply it. Then you go here to cycles, and you wait a couple of seconds because my computer is slow. Okay, then all we do and you can see here there's the asphalt material. So and then if you want to choose something else, give it a couple of seconds, and then there you can see very detailed, and there is a lot to choose from. So there's glass, different glasses, paint, literally wood, everything you need. So I highly recommend this add-on. The next one, let me delete this, is Starlights Atmosphere. So this one does like your world and those kind of things. So it's selected now. Let's go to cycles, and you can see. And then you can rotate the sun. You can change the temperature. You can make it more foggy. So this is a perfect world, so like sky add-on. You can do HDRIs, but I feel like this gives you more of a more variety. So that's number 2, and then number 3 is, let me put this off, Polygonic. So let me create a mesh plane, scale it up, and then you can make grass with literally one click. Bam. And then what I'll do is activate that. Wait a couple of seconds. And let's change the world. Let's change the settings here. See there, you can bring it up. Put it like maybe 1 point. Something like that. You can see the perfect cross. You can see how nice in detail it is. So these are the 3 Blender add-ons that you have to buy that I would highly recommend. If you had enough money to buy all 3, go for it. If you had to buy one, I suggest the real-time materials from Vidiq 3D, and then maybe the grass add-on, Polygonic, and then the atmosphere add-on, because you can always use an HDRI. So I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, smash the like button out of frustration. But yeah, anyways, feel free to let me know any Blender videos you want me to make. I'm more than happy to make them. And subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great morning, evening, day, night, whenever you're watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.